In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the world of online learning with Udemy. We'll be walking through the process of accessing and utilizing Udemy's platform so you can get the most out of your courses and reach out to your instructors when needed. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred browser and heading over to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, simply type in Udemy into the search bar. This will bring up a list of results related to Udemy, a popular platform for online courses on a variety of subjects. Look for the link that says Udemy official site, Udemy online courses, and click on it. This will take you directly to Udemy's homepage, where you can explore a wide range of courses offered by experts in various fields. If you haven't already logged in, the next logical step is to access your account. On the homepage, in the top right corner, you'll find an option labeled Log In. Go ahead and click on this link. Udemy offers a convenient option to streamline the process. You can click on Continue with Google to log in using your Google credentials. This is a secure and easy way to gain access without having to remember yet another set of credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can access all the fantastic online content Udemy has to offer. But our journey doesn't end here. Let's dive into how you can access your enrolled courses. At the top of the page, you'll notice a tab labeled My Learning. Click on it to open a personalized space showcasing all the courses you've signed up for. Select the course you are currently enrolled in by clicking on it. This will open up the course interface, providing you with access to lectures, resources, and more. Under the video player of a lecture, there are several tabs, one of which is the Overview tab. Click on the Overview tab, and within this section, you'll have the option to click on Show More to expand the content available for that course. It's a great way to get a full understanding of what the course entails and any additional information the instructor has provided. If at any point you need to contact your course instructor directly, Udemy makes this simple for you. Within the course, find the instructor's profile link and click it. This will take you to their profile page where you'll see an option to Send Message. Use this feature to reach out to your instructor with any questions, concerns, or feedback regarding course content or other related matters. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively harness the power of Udemy's platform, ensuring you maximize your learning potential and stay connected with your instructors. Happy learning!